Look, child. Look, child. You know what I mean? Oh, wow. It smells amazing. Okay. I feel like if I keep smelling it, though, I'm gonna get high.
There's a hope that's waiting for you in the dark. You should know you're beautiful just the way you are.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Chariti, Sinae, and I am back with another video. And today I will be doing a natural curly hair product haul, whatever y'all want to call it. I went and I got some stuff. I got 2 full bags of products from Target. It was a lot because they're high-end products. Most of them are high-end products, most of them are not. If you like to see all the products that I got, just keep watching. Okay, so I went to Target like sometime last week, and you know, I plan on cutting my hair, and that's going to be in my next video where I'm just trimming my ends. My first initial thought was I wanted to go ahead and chop off all of the green color because, you know, I'm just over coloring my hair. I just want to start fresh. All of the black hair you guys see, that's my natural hair. That is my natural hair color. It is very black. So I just wanted to, you know, have virgin hair all over again and just have healthy hair. And then I realized, like, you know what? We're just gonna start by trimming your ends and call it. Just do that. Because in the back, I don't know if you guys can tell through the camera, but it doesn't seem like a lot to me. It doesn't seem like a lot, but in the front there's like this much, and in the back there's like this much. So I'm like, you know what? No, we just gonna trim the ends, call it a day. So I went to Target and I wanted to get all new products. I'm used to using products that don't really help define my curls because I do so many twist outs. So I'm used to that, just, you know, giving my hair definition. But I want to start just using products that are going to really define my curls and bring them out and, you know, really show my curl pattern. And I don't really have products that do that. I just use a leave-in, an oil, and I'll just use like some type of hair cream of some sort. But creams do not help define my curls. I need like gels and jellies, you know, all that type of slippery, gooey type of stuff. Like products that are really wet. I need that to do so. So yeah, I went to Target and I got all products. Luckily when I went in there, they were doing 20% off, so I was supposed to spend like a little over $150 and I ended up spending like $100. So at least I saved a coin, but it was still a pretty penny, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, let's finally get into, you know, the products that I purchased. First thing that I got was this Blueberry Bliss reparative hair wash. I got this because I hear a lot about this brand, so I just wanted to get it. It says it's rich and creamy, sulfate free, and it's guaranteed to soften the driest kink, hydrate the driest curl, and encourage healthy scalp and hair growth. Okay, so it softens, detangles. It's good to moisturize the hair and hydrate your curls. And it also repairs damage, and it protects against breakage and encourages hair growth. So that's what that does. It smells amazing, by the way. Like, it literally smells just like blueberries. Forgive me if I sound different or like stuffy or whatever, because I think I'm trying to come down with something and I don't have time, you know. So yeah. So the next thing I got is the Blueberry Bliss reparative leave-in conditioner. This also smells really good. Oh my god, it smells like blueberry Jolly Ranchers. Oh wow, that smells so good. So This is texture softening, moisturizing, reparative, and detangling leave-in conditioner. So it restores, protects, conditions your overworked tresses. Okay. And then it repairs. So that's that. I'm excited about this. I'm so excited to use all these products because all these products I got are like overly like raved about and they are hyped up. So I'm ready to see what they're gonna do for my hair, because if y'all know I stay at Walmart and I get, my products do not go over $5. These were all over, literally over $15. So I'm like, okay, all of these better be life-changing at this point, because really it was a lot. But yeah, y'all know me and what I usually get. I stay with Garnier and all of them, and whole blends. Y'all know I love a good whole blend. So the next thing I got is this Kinky Curly Not Today Natural Leave-In and Detangler. I heard about this from Glam Twins. They said like it literally detangles the hair like nobody's business. So I got some. It kind of look a little empty at the top. I don't know if y'all can see that big open space, but looks a little empty. I don't like that. But yeah, it says can't get that comb to glide through your hair. Well, not today. Not is spelled with a K-N-O-T, because you get it like not. This creamy herbal conditioner is enriched with botanical extracts and is designed to smooth the cuticle and to remove knots, gnarls, and tangles from thick curly hair, which I need that. And y'all know I really like to detangle my hair with my hands, but I still kind of go on with my pick, but I want to just get into using my fingers. But yeah, there's that. So then I got this Camilla Rose Naturals Cocoa Nibs and Honey Ultimate Growth Serum. It has a little, it's like a squeeze thing with a little point at the top where you can just go through and like squeeze it in your hair. Oh, I think that is so freaking amazing. Like, it's so convenient to do that. So it helps promote thick and healthy hair, repairs hair loss due to thinning, breakage, and damage, maintains moisture in hair and scalp, improves blood circulation by conditioning the scalp, helps restore lost hair, healthy hair, and natural color. That is amazing. Literally right after I get done with this video, I'm starting a whole new hair routine, and I'm gonna start filming it. So this should be up, if not this week, it literally should be up maybe Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday. I section my things off between tubes and jars. So this is the last of like the tubes. So I got the Miss Jessie's Jelly Soft Curls, and it says the best darn super soft gel, period. See, y'all think City Girls invented period? No, Miss Jessie's been on period before City Girls, okay? They said period, okay? It wasn't City Girls, it was Miss Jessie. So let's see. It says it's a wash and go for people who want popping curls without the crunch. Super soft curls, your shiniest, smoothest, sexiest curls yet. Okay, cool. This is a bang for your buck. I really feel like it was $22, and I know I also used the Miss Jessie's Pillow Soft Curls. That is amazing. I have like 2 tubes under my sink. I hate when I run out because it's somewhere between $22 and $24, and I'm just like, why are you so expensive? So this line, Miss Jessie's, her products are, I believe the like least expensive product is $19, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, I love this. So now we are on to the jars, you know. So let's just, with the jars, I spent less money because I kind of Yeah, I just spent less money. So yeah. So I think this is the cheapest product I got. This is by jojoba, jojoba, because you know sometimes J's can be pronounced like H. I don't know, but it's this brand, jojoba, and it says Eden Body Works Natural Deep Conditioner. So it's formulated with coconut and that J word and manoi to replenish hair strength and restores hair's natural beauty from over processing, damage, and dryness, fortified to balance the hair's moisture level, resulting in stronger, healthier, more manageable hair. Excellent deep conditioner for all textures and hair types. So I got this one because I just felt like I needed a deep conditioner. I feel like everybody needs one, and I had got a leave-in. So I love to always have a leave-in conditioner and just a deep conditioner, you know, and then a hair mask of some sort. So this is what I got. This was like, it was either $5 or $6, but I heard great things about it. So I'm just like, let me get this. The cheapest darn thing. And I'm like, okay, cool. Like, we could do that, you know. So then I got Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils. This is called Curl La La Defining Curl Custard. For natural curls, coils, and waves, enriched with shea butter and olive oil. Say goodbye to frizz, unruly curls, and lifeless coils. Define shape and control curls, waves, coils, and braid outs while adding moisture, shine, and natural conditioning. I got this because my mama like this brand. So that's why I got it. And I wanted a cream. I still do like creams. Just for days where I just, maybe I don't feel like using all these gels to define my curls while I'm just being lazy, you know. Or for days where I want to do a twist out. Because when I do twist outs, I use a cream, and then I also use a foam, which I got plenty of already. So I got this. These were only $6 or $7. Oh my gosh, that smells amazing. That is like heaven in a jar. Oh wow. So then the next thing I got was this Aunt Jackie's Flaxseed Recipes Don't Shrink for natural curly coils and wave. This is the flaxseed elongating curling gel. It's sulfate free, paraben free, no mineral oil, and no petroleum. I thought I said petroleum. Enriched with flaxseed and wheat protein. Flaxseed, rich in omega fatty acids, promotes hair health from the inside out and helps to prevent dryness and flaking. Aunt Jackie's moisturizing flaxseed recipe adds nourishment to hair while giving bounce and stretch to withering curls, twist outs, and coils. Okay, I was just making sure my camera's still on. That's cute. All of these claim that they don't make the hair shrink, so we'll see. I will really be the real judge of that, okay? Like, because I know what my hair look like when it shrink, and I hate when my hair shrink, but this is how it looks. This is the one my mama used, if I'm not mistaken, because I believe she showed me on FaceTime. I think this is the one she used, but this is like $6, $7 as well. Her products are very affordable. Oh wow, this smells good too. Okay, so then the next thing I got is Shea Moisture. I feel like if you are natural, you have to have at least one Shea Moisture product. I just feel like Shea Moisture really can't do you wrong. Like, you have to have Shea Moisture. If you don't have anything else, at least have Shea Moisture. That's just what it is. So I got this. I got the Raw Shea Butter Deep Treatment Mask with sea kelp and argan oil. It's for dry, damaged hair, and it helps to heal, grow, and strengthen your hair. And it is sulfate free and color safe. I used a little bit of this one already. The very last product I got, and the most expensive product when it comes to the jars that I got is the Kinky Curly Original Curling Custard. And get this, I got the small size. I got the 8 ounce and it was $17. So I'm confused. And they didn't have the big jar. I wanted the big jar because I felt like something in my spirit told me that I was gonna fall in love with this. I knew, I had that intuition, like, okay, that's gonna be the one you love. And I used it because I couldn't contain myself. I couldn't hold it in, you know. I had to just try it out, and it is amazing. Like, I'm like, wow. And then it has to be this little jar. Like, I just knew that I'm gonna be out of this jar within a month. Like, even though I did kind of like using it, I did discover that a little goes a long way. Okay, y'all, so that brings today's video to an end. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope y'all loved it. I hope y'all use some of these. If y'all have, just let me know down in the comments. If y'all haven't, that's cool too. I will be more than happy to give y'all my opinion about them. Like I told y'all, a video is coming next right after this one of me using some of these products. I'm not going to use all of these just in one hair routine. Like, whoa, what am I doing? But yeah, so thank y'all so much for watching. Please be sure to leave a comment down below. Let me know what y'all would like to see from me on my channel. Keep in mind, this is a beauty channel. Then give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications so you will be notified whenever I do upload. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.